Alright, let's just get to it. First pack. Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's kind of shiny.
Oh,
That's shiny.
what is this? That's an SR. I don't know. Is that good? Another common. Ooh.
Nice
But that's a SR. Oh my L.
I stand with you.
Ooh, that's kind of shiny.
What's the thing gonna do?
Oops.
It's worth $3.
Oh, this one is SR. There we go. It's even better. And it's Rushia. $3.
Oh, the fan's already working.
Okay.
More Murray.
Another Broton.
Oh my, he's so true.
This is tweaking.
Is it
I think I'm gonna get everybody. Let's go.
Truer.
Ooh.
Pekka?
Ooh. Okay. Back to that. Did we get this one yet? Prediction.
Nah.
Ooh. Like SR.
Get the saturation.
Nice R. Wow, it's kind of awkward without music. Not gonna lie.
How is
Double
this
R
song
Fubuki.
You know it's dead.
Literally.
That was a rabbit.
Oh, another one. Too fast right now. The speed running this. Ooh.
5 child support payments too.
Ooh, the feet streamer.
We were browsing through his Twitter and I kept seeing leave the VOD.
Ooh, another SR.
This is
Ooh, that's another SR. Let's go. I like this one. It has everyone.
Mom.
Ooh, wait, is that SR?
this is in Meals on
That's an SR. Let's go. Oh my.
Still haven't driven.
I don't think it can be the third card.
Woo! Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh.
Hey, who boxes the Hololive cards on the street?
Okay. Ooh. Who's this? Yellowing.
Murray.
We didn't
Kind of.
get help. Oh my god.
You're psychotic.
This guy's
That's pretty nice.
No,
Get help.
what are you just doing the phone? This guy's a woman abuser.
Oh my god. I love cocaine. It's not even on.
Oh, my favorite.
Why do I even have to ask?
That's make that 6.
Let's strap the top.
Yeah, no, that's just like
What? Back to back? Make that 7.
Oh my.
Oh, Jesus. What's that?
Oh, shiny.
That's very shiny.
Oh my. Oh, we're getting
We're fucked.
destroyed.
Oh god. Oh, please.
Second day.
Hard to watch.
Ooh, make that 9. What the?
This guy is happy.
Oh, that's different. That's 3 R's. Here it comes. Oh.
Nah, Robo.
Unsubscribe to Mozo.
Oh, that's 10.
Whoa! Subscribe to one of these
Shots.
That's a Christmas card. The final.
Ah!
11. Oh! Make that 12. Oh! Let's go! Wait!
There's no way.
Yeah, I hit the 1 in 18.
How much is that?
I hit the 1 in 18. This is the 1 in 18. Oh, the light! Yo! The 1 in 18.
Let me see that.
This is SS.
Yeah, that's a whole bottle. Yeah, that's a whole bottle.
Oh my god!
So how much is that worth? Is it soft?
Oh!
It's signed. Look.
So much better.
This is so there's SP, which is this.
Yo, look at this grip right now.
So there's 4 of these in every case, which is 18 boxes, and there's 1 of these in each case of 18. What is the percentage in that?
Dude, it's shiny.
That's going straight into.
That's a whole bottle.
That's all you, bro.
That's a whole bottle.
Alright, good thing that happened because I really didn't want to spend any more money.
That's a whole bottle. We got.
I love gambling.
Oh, 5 whole boxes. Let's go. Ooh, another Coronet. The uncommon. Oh, whoa, we pulled double. Another rare. Seeing your name around. Oh, let's go. Nice. And Choco. Tisk. We got Miko. Dekra. Another Luna. Flare. Nene. Oh, sheesh. We got the nice. What do you call this? Climax. Triple rare. Botom. Nice. We'll take that. Kanata. And Nakari. I feel like I'm about to finish this set twice and still not get Okayu. If I don't get the Okayu version of this card, Sag. Absolute Sag. 3 Coronet. Another. Oh, wait! Yo, let's go! Oh my god! I thought it was an. I thought it was a. I thought this was a an SR, not an SP. Let's go! First box! Freaking Noel signed. Let's go! Man! Let's go! Polka and Aki. And Noel? Another Noel, let's go. Ooh! That's a cool card, what the heck? SR Fubuki. Oh! Oh, let's go! I actually really want to collect this series too. Let's go, we got Sora SR. That was fun. Ooh! SR Lami. We'll take it. Toa? Oh, I thought that was another SR, I was about to say. Dude, if you get a... Honestly, do you want this? That's yours. Oh! No shot! No, this was literally under it. Bruh! Let's go! What are we, 2 for 3? So we're just as lucky as my friend Jin in New York now. A second signed. How did I just sat it down without even realizing? SR. That's 2. Ooh, and a Coco SR. Oh my god, we're just winning right now. Oh, let's go! I really want to collect this set. This set right here. Noel. Oh, this exists? Let's go! Oh, SR Kanata. No more of these. Oh, let's go! Yes! Finally! I finally completed the set. I finally completed the set. I have every card now of this version. Finally. Oh, let's go! Yes! Yes! Get every. Oh! There we go. SR Watame. I've won enough today. Have I won enough? Let's go! Oh man, SR Marine. Yes, I got so many of those today. Oh! Back-to-back SRs. Let's go. Bye guys. Bye now. Thanks for coming by.